Linear equation. Linear equation says that, as the name implies, linear means a line, a straight line. For example, let's draw a graph, something like this. The equation for linear equation is, general form of equation for linear equation is y equals mx plus b, x being the x-axis, y being the y-axis. B is called y-intercept. And m is called slope. It tells us how steep this line is. More specifically, if we have 2 points on the line, this point being x1, y1, this point being x2, y2, you could get the slope, or how steep it is, by subtracting y2 minus y1 over all over x2 minus y1. And y-intercept is the point where the line crosses the y-axis. Let's have an example and see how it works out. We have a temperature, Celsius and Fahrenheit. The relationship between these two units is a linear. For example, the freezing point of water is at 32 degrees Fahrenheit and 0 degrees Celsius. Boiling point of water is 212 degrees Fahrenheit or 100 degrees Celsius. If we plot the relationship the Fahrenheit on the y-axis and Celsius on x-axis, you can see that this point, boiling point, 100 degrees Celsius, 212 degrees Fahrenheit, and this point is 0 degrees Celsius and 32 degrees Fahrenheit. The slope of this line would be, so again, this is x1, y1, x2, y2, x2, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 is equal to 212 minus 32, 100 minus 0, which gives us 180 over 100, which is equal to 9 over 5. So this are n, or the slope. Y-intercept, B, would be the value of y of the line that causes the y-axis, which is in this case is 32. So since the general equation for a linear equation is y equals mx plus b, we could say that y-intercept or y-axis or Fahrenheit is equal to m is 9/5 times x, in this case is c, plus y-intercept 32. Thus Fahrenheit could be calculated using this linear equation given the Celsius value. If we rearrange this equation, we'll have, if we subtract both sides by 32 and multiply both sides by 5 or 9, we'll get an equation that calculates the Celsius given a Fahrenheit in temperature.